Okay, now we're going to review expanded notation. Expanded notation, we're gonna write a number. I'm not going to write the big number like on the other video because then we'll have a really big expanded notation. So we're gonna do 1 in the thousands. So we're going to write, whoopsies. We're going to write a number, 2, 6. So if we were going to read this number, again, we read the numbers in the period, and then we read the period name. So this number will be 582,600. So the expanded notation is taking each digit in the number and multiplying it times its value. So I'm going to take 5 and I'm going to multiply it by the place value of the 5. Again, if I write this on top of a place value chart, it's going to be easy. So the 5 is in the hundred thousands place. So I'm going to multiply 5 times 100,000. And then I put it in parentheses, and then I'm going to add. And then I take the next digit, which is the 8. The 8 is in the 10,000s place, so times 10,000. And then I take the next digit, 2, and the 2 is in the 1,000s place. And then I add, and my next digit is a 6, and the 6 is in the hundreds place, so times 100. I would end the expanded notation there because the zeros have no value, and when we do expanded notation, we want to know the value of each digit. Since the zeros don't have value, we don't need to add them into our expanded notation. Let's do another example. I'm going to undo everything I did here. Bear with me for a little bit because I just found out that if I erase it, I would be erasing my place value chart too. So I'm just going to go back and do another example. So let's do 780,041. Again, my comma. If I want to read this, I say the number in the period and then the name of the period, 780,041. So I take the highest place value, the digit in the highest place value, and it is 7 times. It is in the 100,000s place, so times 100,000. And then plus 8 is in the 10,000s place, so times 10,000. And then again, the zeros have no value, so I don't add them. So I go to my next number with a value. So I go to 4, and it is in the tens place, so 4 times 10. And then my last digit is 1, and 1 is in the ones place, so 1 times 1. So expanded notation is taking every digit in a number and timing it times its place value. If you have ever difficulty, it is easier to write your place value chart and then under your place value chart, write your number so you can do what I did. But if you already know your place values by heart, then you can do your expanded notation by just knowing where the place value is.